Angelina Jolie has lived a life of glamour, adventure, and motherhood, and her real estate journey reflects each chapter of her story. Over the years, she's owned and lived in a number of stunning properties, from sprawling family estates to chic urban retreats. During her marriage to Brad Pitt, the pair amassed a collection of homes across the globe. Angelina Jolie has been making headlines since moving into her iconic Los Feliz mansion in 2017. This home, chosen for its 5-minute distance to her ex-husband Brad Pitt's house, was intended to keep the family ties and give a stable environment to their children. While Brad has since relocated to Carmel, California, Angelina remains at this property, which holds a fascinating history. Purchased for a record-breaking $24.95 million, Angelina's estate is none other than the historic Cecil B. DeMille estate, named after the legendary Hollywood filmmaker who once called it home. Built in 1913, the Italian Revival-style villa spans over 11,000 square feet and boasts 6 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. Restored over 6 years before Angelina's purchase, the home combines old Hollywood glamour with modern amenities. Situated on 2.1 acres of landscape grounds in the exclusive Lawland Park community, this estate offers amazing views of the Griffith Observatory and Pacific Ocean. The main house, with its 7,500 square feet of living space, features intricate architectural details that reflect its storied past. A grand foyer greets visitors with a curved staircase, double-height ceilings, and dark hardwood floors, while neutral walls and glass doors brighten the space. Common areas include a step-down living room with fireplace, a mahogany-paneled formal dining room, and an updated kitchen with white cabinets, marble counters, and a vintage range. The kitchen's casual dining nook is set against arched windows, and it makes for a cozy spot for Angelina and her 6 kids together. Upstairs, the bedrooms and Art Deco-style bathrooms maintain the estate's timeless charm. Angelina's master suite here includes another fireplace and a private terrace offering stunning views of the Griffith Observatory. Other highlights of her home include a spacious library with burgundy velvet seats, a family room, and an adjoining office. Beyond the main house, the estate offers a range of luxury amenities. A separate pool house has a state-of-the-art gym, while a tea house and guest house provide additional spaces for relaxing and hosting. The grounds featured rose gardens, mature trees, and winding pathways that lead to a stunning swimming pool surrounded by arched fountains. Interestingly, one of the smaller homes in the property was once occupied by Charlie Chaplin, adding to the estate's rich Hollywood history. One of Angelina's personal favorite features of the property is its tranquil outdoor spaces. "I love most that there's no entertainment room, but lots of pathways and places to walk and think," she said. Winding paths, the trees, those rose bushes, all of this creates a serene retreat where the actress finds peace and inspiration. Angelina's Hollywood Golden Age home is not only glamorous, but it's a sanctuary for her family and a place that reflects her love for history and nature. If you enjoyed this tour, we would love your support. Hit that like button to let us know you're loving the content, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss an upload. Bye!